Okay, this is a very interesting game. It's called three cushion billiards, and there are no pockets. The table is slightly larger than a pool table. The balls are bigger and heavier than a pool table, and it's a very cool game. The object is sounds difficult, and it's a little whatever. The object is to hit the first ball, and then after you hit the first ball, the ball that you struck needs to hit a minimum of three cushions or more, and then for the point to hit the last ball. So for instance here, he's looking to use right hand spin off the left side of the yellow, and he's probably going to go 1, 2, 3, and then into the red. I haven't seen this before. Let's watch. There he goes. 1, 2, 3. Missed the kiss. He's a little short, but he's okay. The red is a big ball. There it is. See? And that gives him a point. Scores kept down here. And so you have to be an architect. It's a very, you have to think. You have to think. A hell of a game, really. And now, so he gets down, and he's probably, let's see. I'm guessing he's going to go off the left side of the red, and he's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the yellow. I think he's going to hit this really hard. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he got stuck. 4, 5. See, he came in too short. So now his opponent goes, and his opponent's cue ball is yellow. You see? And so this is how it works. It's very popular in Korea, Colombia, Belgium. It's a hell of a game. Everything about it is different than pool. The cues, the tips, the balls. And so now he's thinking, what the hell am I going to do here? So let's see here. Let's see. Ooh, look at this. But it's no... Oh, he got the kiss. He got the kiss. All right. Let's see here. Move it along. Couple of more shots just to give you the idea of the game. It's a beautiful game. Sometimes it takes, maybe a minute and 5 seconds to make the point. Let's see. Skip this ad. Pardon me. Everything you see is done as it's happening. So there you go. Skip. Right. His cue ball, if I'm not mistaken, the guy at the table is yellow, right? Yeah. So he's looking to see. Honestly, I don't know what the hell he's looking at, because although I love the game, okay, right. Terrible camera work. Terrible. Awful. But, okay, here. He's just going to go around off the left side of the white and strike the long cushion 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then come up from 5 and contact red for a point. So he's making a diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into red. High right spin. No, I was completely wrong, and he went that way. That was even smarter. Yep, why work so hard, right? So now he's looking, and here's a repeat of it. 1, 2 is a beautiful shot. Misses the kiss, and contacts the red for what they call a billiard, or a point. Terrible camera work. Back out, please. Back out. There we go. Okay. So let's see what the hell I think he might do here. Hmm. I mean, I guess he's clipping the red on this side and going 1, 2, 3 with reverse. Who the hell knows? Let's see. Ooh, back and forth, back and forth. Beautiful shot. Beautiful shot. I did not see that coming. Wow. It's cool stuff. Here it is. Back and forth, back and forth. Oh, yes. Very nice. Quite nice. Quite nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, yeah. Here it is from, I don't know what the hell that's from because there's no pockets. Oh, this is going to be a hell of a shot. Those stupid idiots. Horrible camera work. Really bad. Alright, I'll make this the last shot. Oh, it's a miss. Okay, thanks for watching.